Hello and welcome to the coding class CodeWithFareed, and in this video I'll be teaching you turtle drawing with Python and with loops. So in the last video we did turtle drawing without loops, but in this video we'll do it with loops. So the loop is just like for I in range and bracket, a number inside the bracket, and then close bracket, semicolon, and then the turtle name, forward, bracket, a number, and so on. So let's get into it. So the first line to get up the turtle page, you need two lines to get up the turtle page. So the first one is import turtle. And when you press enter, nothing comes up. That's why you need to put thread, not dot, but equals turtle equals dot pen bracket, and the turtle page will come up. So to change the shape, well, I did say I would put some in a link for the turtle shape, but I couldn't find any. So you could try finding some, or I will try finding more. So but I do know you can make the turtle into a circle, so you need to put a thread. You know how to do it, just pause the video and try doing it. So thread